Now, kulingana na kwa omuske yagosira Raila Amolo Odinga. Go support yalinga macha in 2027. Kulingana na kwa.
Actually, again, don't I thought about Kenya because I worked in the newsroom until 6 months ago. I recently talked about Chukura. Matiang'i was to be the presidential candidate ya Kenya in 2022.
Yes.
And I want to look you at the media coverage in Standard and in Nation before Kwano's kwa Raila. Kwenye serikali alisema inere support. The idea went on, and then they agreed the President Uhuru Gateva, let's give Raila Amolo Odinga ngaki arabodi Chukura for the last time.
Okay.
So Matiang'i even Raila himself said that. Raila said Matiang'i inga bono, you are still young. Let me buy for the last time. You'll be the so in to expect to 2027. That's a candidate president ya Raila goes almost here okorokunga Matiang'i.
Igotali Matiang'i candidate tebe tukunga kana vera kando tura support Raila.
President Raila ba motebeti because Matiang'i could have been the presidential candidate in 2022 elections.
So was on any possibility ngonga Raila na support in 2027 despite the arrangements to original.
You remember kwenye Raila Tarako the last statement ya Megati will have a presidential candidate in 2027. There are all indications. Yes.
Oh, Matiang'i was to be their candidate.
Yes.
Thank you. Now let's go straight to the UPA party where you are the chairperson. Give me the structure of your party by names, party leader up to maybe the second one or something like that.
The United Progressive Alliance gave what NEC a remainder of 21 members. All
right.
And these NEC were elected as to what the National Delegates Conference 2 years ago.
Okay.
No matter about the leaders, party members, delegates. So the delegates were sitting Choromoske Nyaribo because they had been elected as a governor. In the Chukura Chia 20 again, should never give explanation. The Chukura Chia 2020, the Chukura Chia 2022, you pay about 331 candidates across Kenya. Fortunately or unfortunately, out of those candidates now
okay.
So when we met, wakarigereri echame na kiere. Wakateba a position ya party leader orokoba interim yoko on behalf of Matiang'i wakagive to the senior most elected leader.
Okay.
Uyorongo Governor Amos Nyaribo. Through a process ya water voting. Akaenda unopposed. Number 2, ekanabeke deputy party leader. But of course, we have to balance all of the regions here Kenya. But inga itu anyolide biroko. Ekabangusi. So they gave the position of deputy party leader to the only elected MP in the party. Oyoro Mosco Nchoke. Omojimbo Bonchari.
Yes.
Bagaja na maisa to a party chairman. Nga compete na bantu batatu.
Okay.
Wabere Nairobi and no more from coast region. And because abantu nantu arenge elected to nga bange korgusi, I won. Ekreke position ST. It went unopposed. Ochemo Skeja Kobagaka. And they also had been elected in MCA ne deputy speaker of Kisii County Assembly.
Yes.
After that, Obo National Treasurer. Wakacheromo skokoro kunga Derek Mosiani. Omo Masai Coronaro County. Obo Organizing Secretary wakachera Alice Tiongo Korukiambu County. Obo Deputy SG wakachero Moria Koruwajia County. Okorokunga Ishmael Ahmed. Obo deputy organizing secretary okachero mo college urunga serem kurwa Sinigishu County.
Okay.
Nduwate athenek tuwate Florence Akech. Nduwate Jonah Shkulu. We have people from all over Kenya. Actually, abagusi ase chama kia neki ya UPA into the list. We are like just 30%. But one brand according a party leader nge chairman nge SD. And they will explain it like you want to too.
Sure. Lakini ngora ovale in parties.
Hey, chairman, why are you not asking the same questions to ODM? Ekiamagi ODM a party leader boni no buru. National chairperson. National chairperson. No. You see, when you ask us these questions, you should ask no chama ya Jubilee. The party leader no uru. Omo Sinkioni. You ask the same question. Organizing secretary. Zach, you should not be asking this other party the question. Again, you want to bring your own people down. You are not asking the other party the same question. Ngwaro Chegoro, Party Central Committee ya ODM. Omo ndo weko otadio mogeroro Sifuna.
You agree?
Because even a Simbarat is not part of the Party Central Committee ya ODM. Yes.
So this was my question. A question according to the regulations still in place right now, and someone who is not elected as a party, I will position of, for instance, of an SG. They're allowed.
Yes.
It's allowed, eh? So you had the freedom. Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to confirm that. Now, the idea of Dr. Fred Matiang'i is to avoid a tribal party. How can you convince Kenyans UP is not a tribal party when the top leadership from the same region?
Every Matiang'i Ochile Jubilee, Boniga. Who is the party leader of Jubilee?
No, okay.
No, I'm asking a question. Who is the party leader of Jubilee?
Of course, right now it is Uhuru Kenyatta.
Who is the deputy party leader?
I don't know. Who is it?
No. Who is the deputy party leader of Jubilee?
No, you tell
David
me.
Murade.
Oh, David Murade. Okay, fine.
Who is the SG?
Jeremiah Kioni.
Jeremiah. So is Jubilee not that actually as a Kenya, Jubilee is the most tribal party. Who is the organizing secretary?
Oh, that's good.
I'm asking a question. Who is the organizing secretary?
I don't know the organizing secretary. Actually, I haven't researched.
Pauline Njoroge.
Okay.
So if there's a political party in Kenya want to get the most tribal Jubilee, that is not UPA. And that's the reality. When you are doing this analyzing, get one year in a cave into video from a difference from perception and a difference in a fact.
What made Matiang'i not to go with UPA? What made Matiang'i touch or UPA?
Number one. A presidential candidate has the prerogative to cover.
Yes.
At the end of the day, Tariq is a president. Matiang'i. It's the decision. And this decision is based not just the interest as a UPA yoka.
Yes.
There are decisions about the week and semester. Economic and semester. Now about the UPA, now about the Jubilee, now about the PNU, now about the PDP. He has like 11 parties and semester. And these parties have to make decisions. Number one, they chose which political party among these about the elected leaders, but that region it ended up being Jubilee. Consideration number one. Number two, out of these political parties, how many people from there, but there's three president, about two parties, Jubilee and PNU. Number three, out of these political parties, which political party at the current status, about the financial muscles, what a representation candidate no Pokot, what a representation candidate no Todo Young, what a representation candidate no Seme, what a representative, those concerns are put on the table. And that's the reason why. And no one has opposed that decision. Yes.
Are you PA comfortable with that decision?
But in UPA, there's no one in UPA who is vying for presidency. What's the next mind? There's nothing wrong with that. But as about there's none who is vying for the president. Our presidential candidate in our resolutions is Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Dr. Otebire Chame. But on Otebire we have to win the president together. There is no single party in the last 20 years in Kenya that has won the presidency. Remember, in the 2022 elections, we had Raila in Azimio. We have Ruto, Okombele Chama, URP, na UDA, we are from UDA. The election before that, there was CORD. The election before that, the same process. So there's nothing new. But you are doing it. There will be a framework. There will be a framework between Jubilee and 11 other political parties. They are coming. And there is no political party president in 20 years in Kenya. They are very formed 6 months before the general elections. Now they keep in mind. Every party has been formed 6 months to the elections.
Na party teyo ya wira elections covered in Kenya.
That's all those true. That's why I'm saying even 2027, most likely the scenario is there. Matiang'i will stand in a coalition party. You have Jubilee. But that entirely depends on him.
Okay.